here I say that this glucometer cannot tell you whether you are truly a diabetes patient, right? Because that blood sample is having a reading which is true to that blood sample only, nothing to do with the rest of the body. So now, the final thing I'm coming is, what is the solution? Solution is, you have to be your own doctor. Food as medicine. Here you see, here it should be 8th November, not 4th. On the same day, maybe there may be in one hand the blood sugar may be very low, on the other hand it may be normal. It depends on how you are sleeping. आप किस तरफ सो रहे थे, right? So I suggest you, the day when you want to check the blood sugar and you really want the blood sugar to be low, on that day sleep this side and then check the blood sugar of that hand, right? That will give you a satisfactory blood sugar report in comparison to this hand, right? Many times some patient, now they are friends, they say, मेरा insurance का है, क्या करना है? Then I give the trick. Today, don't forget to sleep like this, and when he want to check the blood sugar, give the blood sugar from this hand, right? So when the insurance company come, he says, hello, कैसे हैं आप? Assuming कि इसी हाथ को बढ़ाना है, इसी हाथ को देना है, भूलना नहीं है इसको, right? So it is all tukka. तो करना क्या? What is the solution? Let's come to the solution. Solution is using food as medicine. दोबारा करना है इसको. I want the PPT. So this is one book which I wrote, Why the Mortality Rate Drops When the Doctor Go on Strike. It is seen all over the world, when the doctors are on strike, the mortality rate of that place reduces. The people start becoming well. It is not my opinion only. It is medically proven. In British Medical Journal, in Oxford Journal, all the top journals, they have concluded that when the doctors are away from any city or any place, during that time the patient's health start improving. So the first step to get cured is free of the doctors. Only then you can start improving. Use food as medicine. How to use food as medicine so that it can help you control all the parameters. Symptomatic parameters, and if some of the parameters are coinciding with symptomatic parameter, even that parameter. For example, a heart patient. Heart patient is not a heart patient because his reports are saying so. Heart patient is heart patient truly if when he is walking and he is feeling discomfort, then only he is a heart patient. That is a real disease. Diabetes is real. I am not saying it is an imaginary disease. But if the symptom happens, then only you are a diabetes patient, and then it is a real diabetes patient. And to get rid of that, just by reducing certain numbers, can help you feel good that I have reduced the number, but that reducing number is having nothing to do with the actual health problem. Just think of yourself, the first time when you discovered, or the doctor told you, announced for the first time that you are a diabetes patient, then the first thought is, what should I do? Doctor said you take the medicine, your blood sugar will be low, and you went with the medicine, and again you checked with the glucometer, and the blood sugar reading was expected reading, it went down, you are happy. But for some time only. After a certain time, again in spite of taking that medicine, what happened? Blood sugar increased, right? So you again went to the doctor. You complain, my number is still high in spite of taking that medicine. What he will do? He will increase the medicine. Again you will come back. You take the medicine, increase dose, blood sugar, control. Again you go back after some time. Why? Because blood sugar, in spite of taking the increased dose, is still increased. Then this time what the doctor will do? He will still increase the dose. Now with the ever high dose of medicine you come back and you take, and then you see the reading, it is perfectly normal, but only for a few months. And after that, in spite of taking that higher dose of medicine, still the reading is higher. What you will do now? Of course you will go to the doctor. What he will do now? Of course he will ever increase the medicine even further. And this will keep on happening till the time either you lose your life or lose all your money. So it cannot do anything to help you to cure, to give the solution. It can help, the medicine can help only one person, the person who is selling the medicine to you. It is not you who is getting any benefit. So anyway, Now let's come to the solution part, the last 5 minutes. So that is the solution. I call it food as medicine. Use food in a way that it works for you as a medicine. And if you can do that, the symptomatic relief will come. Those who are suffering from heart disease, they are not able to walk, climb stair, they will feel relief. Those who are having symptom of discomfort, loss of energy, frequent urination, their symptom will vanish, right? So, using food as medicine. So, this concept of food as medicine is not new. Before me, many people, as you can see, many scientists have proved it again and again. If you use food as medicine, one, you will never get ill, and second, even if you get ill, you will be cured quickly. How to make your own medicine? For that, I use this. So what you have to do, here you see, or you can see on the screen, this is a chart, right? And through this chart, you have to know your food index. Each one of you are having your own food index. If you understand how to calculate your food index, then you can prepare your own food as medicine. How to calculate your food index? Very simple. You have to calculate this X, alpha X, whatever you want to call. How to calculate this? For that, in this box, it is given this food index table, and here green is the height and the red row is the weight. So corresponding to your height and weight, there is one number, and that number is called the food index, your own food index. So each one of you will have a different food index based on your height and your body weight. So you find the X. Now let's say in my case, my height 5.8 and my weight say 70 kg, then my food index is 740. X is equal to 740. That becomes my food index. If you know this, then you know how to create your own medicine. So in my case, in the whole day, now come to this, I have to eat fruit equivalent to my X. What is my X? 740 grams of fruits in the whole day. I have to eat vegetable in raw state, like tomato, cucumber, carrot, radish, etc. in raw state, equal to X. In my case, how much it should be? 740. And leaves, green leaves, any kind of leaves, पान का पत्ता, तुलसी का पत्ता, पुदीना का पत्ता, धनिया का पत्ता, मूली के पत्ते, सलाद पत्ते. There are several kind of leaves. Curry patta. So equivalent to X into 0.1. In my case, how many grams? 74 grams or more. And in my case, the nuts, X into 0.05 grams, sprouts, X into 0.05 grams. If you can do this calculation and every day you decide to eat this much, minus dairy products, minus packed food. If you can do this, so within 3 days, your glucose reading will come down. So you'll be forced to stop the insulin. You'll be forced to stop the medicine. Within 7 days, your blood pressure will come down. You'll be forced to stop the blood pressure medication. Within a month's time, your angina pain will vanish. So you'll not need those medicine or blood thinner, etc. You'll not need. Within 6 months, all the tumor in the body will vanish. You can do the ultrasound again and you'll say, oh, where it is gone, it's not there. Right? So this if you use this formula. I am not saying don't eat this, don't eat that. I am just saying that use this much amount if you can eat this. How to eat this much amount? For that you take this, and here there is a circle, and that circle says 6 AM to 12 noon finish your amount of fruits, eat nothing else, and after 12 noon till 8 PM finish rest of your food index, vegetable, nuts and seeds. In addition to that, whatever you are eating, keep eating that. So I am not stopping you from eating anything except the dairy product and the packed food, right? I am only adding something to you. And especially I am adding the sweet fruits, right? So many times the patient, they come to me and they say that I'm not eating mango for last 15 years because my doctor told you're a diabetes patient, you cannot eat mango. So today is the time to fulfill that gap. Utne saal ka sara quota pura kar lo aaj. Of course, it is not a mango season, but you can try with the grapes, you can try with the banana, right? So now, once you go back home with this knowledge, you'll have many questions in the mind. I don't want you to live with questions, because the answer to those questions your doctors will never give, right? Rather, he will scold you. Kiski baat sun rahe hain aap? Right? So for that, I have a special gift for you. Once after the end of this program, at the end of this program, when you'll go out, you'll get digital access card. Each one of you will get digital access card. And through the digital access card, you will get an access to my research work, my books, including the book which is launched today, right? So I have a generous publisher, Diamond Pocket Book, Narenji, right, who has spent lakhs of money in publishing in 71 language, but is happy that this knowledge should go to you free, right? Thank you, sir. So you'll get an access to my knowledge, number one. Number two, if you have any question, you can put the question through this access number, and me and my team will try hard to reply you as soon as possible, right? So this means me and you are connected with through this card. So, but that will distribute after the finish of this program. And how you'll get it? In this box. Inside this box, you'll get a paper. Did you get the paper? In that paper, we have a feedback form. In that feedback form, don't forget to fill your email ID and mobile number. The same email ID and mobile number will use as a password for you through this digital access card. So your email ID and your mobile number. I want this knowledge to spread to all of you, but I want to control the knowledge in a way that if it is spreading in a wrong way, it may harm the people. Why? Because, try to understand, somebody you told this knowledge, he decided, chalo bhai, food to मैं इनका वाला कर लेता हूँ, दवाई मैं डॉक्टर वाला कर लेता हूँ. Right? What will happen? He is a diabetes patient, he eat the food the way you suggested, and he take the medicine the way doctor said. What will happen to him? He will die. His blood sugar will be too low, because he is taking double medicine. Medicine which the doctor has given to him, and the food as medicine. The food, when it is eaten in a certain quantity or more, in this fashion, it starts working in the role of medicine without the side effect. And it is not a new science. I am not the first person to do this research. Yes, I am the first person to prove it on Indian patients, right? So here, I hope that you will give me opportunity to interact through this access card and let me know about your health, because I believe the record holders are not record holders, they are the leaders. Only leaders can be record holders, only record holders can be leaders, right? So in your own record field, you are the leaders. I want this knowledge to spread in the world through you. So that's all I have to say with you, for you. All the best. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.